Hi viewers, welcome back to Health Simplified. Now we are going to discuss the fetal development for week 9. By this week, the fetus has grown little more big and is at the size of a grapes. By this week, the embryonic tail disappears and the fetus tries to look like a human. By this week, all the systems are developed. Not too big, it is all in the initial stage. The basic physiology of the baby begins, and the earlobes also begin to develop now. Pancreas and the gallbladder also starts forming by now, and the fingers of the fetus grow longer and the fingerprints also start developing by this week. As I had said you earlier, progesterone plays a major role. This progesterone causes relaxation of the esophageal sphincter muscles, which causes heartburn or GRD during pregnancy. It is most likely to occur when the mother is in lying down or bending over position. In late pregnancies, this may be aggravated by the displacement of the stomach and the duodenum because of the growing uterus. The best way to reduce heartburn is always to limit the spicy and the greasy foods, especially during the night time. Also, try to avoid caffeine products and fried items, which may also aggravate this heartburn. Try to avoid slouching, bending, and sleeping, or even just lying down immediately after eating food. Always try to take a bland diet which is more soothing and doesn't irritate your gastric mucous membranes. You can also try with orange and peppermint candies, which can decrease your nausea and vomiting sensations. Always try to take small frequent diet which may help reduce your vomiting or your gastric irritation. As I always say, try to stay hydrated. Try to take sips of water in between your daytime so that you are hydrated adequately. The best way to avoid vomiting is to avoid the smell of cooking and strong smells as sanitizers, hand washes, which may increase the sense of vomiting. Try to have breakfast or dry crackers in the bed, which may decrease the gastric secretions, thereby decreases your gastric irritation or your heartburns. Can also try with ginger tea, ginger with honey, which is a natural antioxidant as well as a natural product to decrease your nausea and vomiting sensations. By now, we are completing week 9. This week, we have also discussed the management of heartburn or gastroesophageal reflux, which is very common during early pregnancies. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos.